In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import and export with Excel on Monday.com step by step. If you work with spreadsheets and project management tools, knowing how to move your data in and out of Monday.com can save you a huge amount of time. Whether you're migrating from Excel, sharing reports with your team, or backing up your board data, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's start with how to import an Excel file into Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board where you want to import your data. If you don't already have a board set up, you can create a new one by clicking on New Board and choosing the type of board that fits your workflow. This is where your Excel data will be added. After you've opened the correct board, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the Board Options menu. From the drop-down, select Import Items, and then choose From Excel. Monday.com will now prompt you to upload your file. This feature allows you to bring in existing spreadsheets and instantly convert them into structured items inside your board, which is extremely helpful if you've been tracking projects in Excel and want to transition into a more collaborative environment. Next, choose your Excel file from your computer. Locate the .xlsx file you want to upload, click on it, and then press Open. Monday.com will begin uploading and processing your file. Depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this may take a few seconds. Once uploaded, the platform will automatically map columns from your Excel sheet to columns in your board. Review the column mapping carefully to make sure everything aligns correctly, such as dates, status columns, text fields, and numbers. When everything looks good, confirm the import, and your Excel data will now appear as items inside your Monday.com board. Now let's look at how to export your board data back into Excel. This is useful if you need to share reports with clients, analyze data offline, or keep a backup of your board. Start by opening the board you want to export. Make sure you're viewing the correct board and that all the data you need is visible. Once you're inside the board, go again to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down options, select Export to Excel. Monday.com will automatically generate an Excel file containing your board's data. The exported file typically includes all visible columns and items, structured in a clean spreadsheet format that you can open and edit in Microsoft Excel. After you click Export to Excel, the system will process your request and generate the file. When it's ready, download the .xlsx file to your computer and choose where you want to save it. Open the file to confirm that all your data has been exported correctly. You can now share it, edit it, or use it for reporting purposes. And that's it. You now know how to both import data from Excel into Monday.com and export your Monday.com board back into Excel. This simple workflow makes it easy to move between spreadsheet management and collaborative project tracking without losing any important information. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.